everyone. Today we're going to do a follow-up video to the one I posted a few days back, where we followed an exploit link from a scam DM, which took us to a website to mint a Nickelodeon NFT. If you remember, or if you've watched that one, you'll remember that it was trying to get us to sign a pure signed signature in MetaMask, which would have allowed the scammers to take whatever they wanted from our MetaMask wallet. So not only NFTs, but ETH or any other coins as well. Today we're going to follow a couple of these Psychedelics Anonymous ones, which I've been sent in DMs. So let's get into it and see what these guys are trying to do to us. Okay, as I've mentioned before, if you connect to a site and and it tries to connect to your MetaMask without you even having to do anything, it's usually a bad sign. So we're going to just connect up here. Let's take a look at this though. We've got, it looks like a pretty standard DApp, and it could very well pass for something that Psychedelics Anonymous would do. Nice background picture. We can mint 5 at 0.1 ETH. There's currently 56, just went up to 57 minted, so it's looking to show that 58, show that there's things happening, so we better hurry up and mint so we don't miss out. So let's click on this and see what happens. Okay, it's bringing up our MetaMask. And okay, so what we see here is this particular scam is just trying to get us to send ETH. You can see the function here, sending ETH. So it wants us to send ETH to this address up here. It's not looking to do a set approval for all. It's not looking to do a pure sign. Basically, all it wants you to do is send ETH, and in return, you'll get nothing back. So when you would normally mint an NFT, you might get in this little function box here, it will say mint, or it will say contract interaction, something similar to that. Let's just click on this wallet address and have a look and see what it shows us. Okay, so luckily for good people and unluckily for the scammers, that they've only been able to scam 0.16 Ether. So if we have a look at that, there's just two transfers that have happened, one for 0.1 ETH and one for 0.06 ETH. What that says to me is, if you remember, our Psychedelics Anonymous one wanted 0.1 ETH for a PA NFT. They've also, looks like they're using this same wallet on a different scam, which is looking to get 0.06 ETH out of someone. So if we just bring this back up, and we'll reject this transaction, and we'll take a look at another one. So, oh, I've denied the transaction. It wants me to try again. That's very helpful of them. So let's get rid of that, and let's go back to these links and look for another one. Okay, looks very similar. This one's 0.12 ETH, only 100 to be minted. We'll click on this. Okay, same background, but different looking DApp. Once again, MetaMask has popped up and wants us to connect without us even interacting with the page. That's a huge red flag. It can happen on some legitimate sites, but generally it's a problem. So we'll connect up to this one, and let's see what happens. So a contract number is popped up there, but that contract number is not a real contract number. That is just an image on the background. The real contract is up here. So let's see what happens. We'll try and mint a couple, mint 4. Let's see what happens. Once again, this is a sending ETH. We'll reject that. That was from the last one, sorry. So here's a sending ETH, 0.48 for this one. So which is 4 times the 0.12, so that's the same. Let's just have a look at this contract and see if these guys have got lucky. Well, it's not a contract, sorry, it's a wallet. Nothing as yet. So that's actually a good sign that perhaps people are getting smart and not clicking on things they shouldn't. So by the looks of it, no one has clicked on this one, or no one's been unlucky enough to click through and send ETH to these scammers. Um, so I'll reject that. And what often happens with these sites is as soon as you reject it, it sends the transaction again. They're very, very persistent. They're trying to get you to click on it, so we'll get rid of that. We'll reject this transaction. Um, so basically what we've seen today is a different type of scam. Like I said earlier, not a set approval for all, or not getting you to sign away your private key for your wallet. This one is basically just trying to get you to send ETH. So as usual, if you do happen to click on something, please be aware of what it is that you're doing, and take a look at what those functions are telling you. That's all for now, and we'll put together another video when we get some more scam links. Cheers.